Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Valerie and this is Violet, and today we're doing a BarkBox. Woo-hoo-hoo! If she lets me show you what her toys were last month, she's got them ripped up pretty good. Okay, so last month she got this can of food. Okay, it's supposed to actually go like this. She's got a, I tell you, she is a chewer. Okay, so she's got it ripped up like that. It's still, I mean, she's still been playing with it. Oh, she still likes it. Okay, so that one still was standing a little bit. Okay, this was the pup mashed potatoes. Now the squeaker's gone because she just gets in there and gets them squeakers out. She cannot stand them squeakers for some reason. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of move this up a little bit, guys. Okay. So yeah, she can't stand them squeakers in it. So this was the mashed potatoes, and you can see that there's holes, but it's not shredded. Okay, so and there's nothing, none of the papers in it or anything. So we're doing okay. There you go. And then we got the turkey that she got last month, and this has still got paper in it. Oh, it's missing a leg though. Okay, so one of the legs, part of the leg got chewed off. So, yeah, it's still intact. So not bad. So actually, I think they're better quality toys than what I get in store, because in-store stuff is gone. I mean, within, you know, a day or so. Now, the reason I'm not doing Super Chewer is because I don't want her just to have those rubbery toys. I want something, you know, fuzzy and stuff, and she loves these toys. I have a lot of rubbery toys that she just does not play with. These are what she likes to play with and rips up and stuff. So that's another reason I think, you know, BarkBox is kind of good, is because she's going to get new stuff every month, and she can just keep, you can't see her. I'm sorry. I thought you could see her. So she can just keep getting new ones, and then if she rips them up, I don't care. She can have fun. You like her toys. You like her toys. Okay, let me get the new BarkBox, and we'll be right back. Right back. Are you ready for your BarkBox, Violet? Are you ready for the BarkBox? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is this? Is this BarkBox? Are you getting a BarkBox again? Are you getting a BarkBox? Let me get it. Get those papers. Okay. All right. You ready? Are you ready to do your BarkBox? Are you ready? Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. This month I did buy a Super Chewer. I did do some add-ons, and I added on a Super Chewer toy, because I do want to check out their Super Chewer toys and see how they hold up. Okay, so I did get a Super Chewer. Oh, look, Mama got you a Super Chewer. Okay, it is a tough timber pine tree, and you're supposed to be able to put treats in there. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. And this says it has unpredictable bounce and natural. Can you wait a minute? I'm gonna hit you with I'm gonna get you with these scissors, and I don't want to. Natural rubber. It's dishwasher safe, on top rack only, and it's got a treat dispensing base. Huh. So yeah, and it's made from BarkBox. And it's called the Tough Timber Pine Tree. This is medium for up to 50 pounds. And she's about 20 pounds. So let me get this out of here. Let me get this out of here, Violet. Give me a minute. Get your mommy a minute. Oh, and here it comes. There you go. Oh, you want to chew on it? You want to chew it? Okay, let's get rid of last month's. Let's put last month's away, okay? Let's put those away. Okay. Come over here. Come over here. All right. And I did add on, think I added on. I don't know. Maybe I didn't. Okay, now, she did not get one of the toys that she was supposed to get last month. And so I contacted them because there was like a survey type thing. I can go on there and like review the box and stuff. And I told them I did not get that thing. And they came back and says, oh, sorry to hear that. And they still have not sent it to me. So let's see. It's not in the big part of the box. So let's see if they put it in this box. Okay, so this is the actual BarkBox. If you don't know, BarkBox has a theme every month. No, you're not getting it. It has a theme every month. And last month was Dogsgiving. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Can you get the box open? Oh, you want me to open it? Okay, let Mama open it. Okay, and then this month we have the Peanuts theme. BarkBox Happy Happy Peanuts. Oh my goodness, you got a Snoopy theme. Snoopy, oh, you got Snoopy. You got a Snoopy, look at that. Nope, the other toy was not in here. Okay, so I'm going to have to contact them about it. Oh, and there, oh, you got, I can't remember, Woodstock. You got a Woodstock. My goodness. Okay, let's tell people what it says up here. BarkBox Peanuts. Do your Snoopy dance for a BarkBox today. Hold a toy or treat above your pup's head and watch them bust a move. No. Bust a move. Ouch! Film a quick video and share it with us. Okay, get out of here. Happy holidays. Yeah, you get out of here. Christmas time is here, and we're celebrating with the world's most famous beagle, Snoopy. Did you stop? You got your toys. Go play with your toys. Okay, so I'll show you the treat. That's what she's digging for. So she, in the main box, she got a treat, and I don't think I added this treat on. She got a Play-Doh dog treats. It is a Thinker's Real Sticks. It's the world's finest ingredients. Chicken recipe. So it looks like chicken, what's those beef sticks like we get? Slim Jims. But it looks like it's a chicken Slim Jim. That's what it looks like. Maybe a little bit hard. Ooh, I broke it. I'm sorry I broke it, but that's fine. I'm not going to give it to her all at once. Okay, so that's that one. And then she got a peanut butter and carob stick. She would love this. Peanut butter and carob recipe dog chew made in the USA. Okay, so yeah, she got one of those. I don't know how, she's not gotten one of these before, so. And then she got 2 bags, all right. She got Franklin's Famous Lamb Chops, lamb recipe dog treats. And we're still going through the ones, that she got last month. This is the Good Beef recipe dog treats. All right. Okay, do you want to try some? Okay, the mama open one. Oh, are you ready? Oh, it's funny, it's got Linus on there. These are so much fun. She loves it. She loves these. Okay, and they look like this. They're just like little pieces. Oh my goodness. Okay, you ready? Take it nice. Good girl. Yeah, they smell like peas. I thought that smells like peas. That's what I was looking at. See if what was in there. They're wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, and grain-free. All right. Now let's try the other one. You want to try the other one? You want to try the other one? We didn't even get to show the people your toys yet. No, we haven't. You took your toys. You took your toys. Okay, and this one is the lamb chop. She's not real fond of lamb. Oh, these are really little. These are good training treats. Up. Okay. No notice she sits because I make her sit a lot. Okay, sit. Can you sit? Okay. Can you stand up? Come on, stand up. Stand up. No, not lay down. Stand up. Come on, stand up. Stand up. Good girl. Take it nice. Take it nice. There you go. She had to sniff that one. Yeah, she's not lit because it's a lamb. She's different with lamb. Okay, sit. Good girl. That's a good girl. Okay, there's her treats. Now, can I show the people your toys? Okay, so she got a Snoopy, which is really cute. It's a good size Snoopy too, isn't it? Does it have a squeaker? Oh yes. Let's get the tags off. Skating Snoopy. Behind the squeaks. Crazy crinkle. Oh, he's got skates on. Look at that. He's got skates on. Bye-bye. Oh! Oh! Hi, Violet. How are you? You need to sit. Violet. Sit. 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 You better sit. 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 You better sit. You want to sit? Good girl. I make her toys talk and make her sit, and she does it. And she does it. Okay, come here. Come here. All right. So there's that one. And then she got, whoa, she didn't want me to grab Woodstock. Okay, and then there's Woodstock. And he's got a different squeaker. She's trying to get in them treats. Little sneaky girl. Little sneaky girl. You're trying to get in them treats. Okay, and there we go. That was her BarkBox this month. Let me put the treats up so she'll pay attention. Nope, she's still over there. So she got the Woodstock. This was like another $12.99, I think. And you can see I can put treats underneath there, and she'll have to work to get them out. And that's a nice. You like that? She's looking for treats. And then she got Snoopy, so she kind of got 3 tech toys. And I don't know how she'll do with this. And she's up on the table. You are up on the table. You're not eating those. You already had snacks. You already had snacks. All right, you want to try this one? Mama let you have this one, all right? Let me find the scissors so I can open it. Just a minute. I know how you could get it. I know you could get it, but then you'd eat that. You'd eat that plastic, and we don't need you to eat that. So anyway, I'm going to contact them and let them know I did not get the one toy that I was supposed to get for joining. And I actually thought I was going to get a double box, and they said I didn't use the right code for the double box. And that I used the code for this other one, but I still haven't received that one. So yeah, I don't know what's going on, but definitely that part, I'm not real thrilled with that. So, okay, are you ready? Oh, take it nice. There you go. Good girl, her took it nice. Okay, so that's something different for her. We'll see how she does with it. Okay, guys, that was the BarkBox for December 2020. So I'm going to put a link below if you guys would like to try them out. It's costing me like $24, $25 a month for her. And she's just on the regular. She's not a super chewer, she's just regular. And then they give you the option, like they email you and say, oh, you can add on to your next box. And so that you can go in there and you can choose like different toys. You can different treats and all different kinds of things you can add on, which is kind of nice. I kind of like that. And then also, if you guys want to try it, I'll put my link. I have a referral code, I think, for you guys that you can use below. And what we will get, what Violet and I will get, is we'll get a free box for any time anybody uses that referral code, we get a free box. Now, we can choose to keep that box for ourselves, or we can give it to a dog in need, which I think is really neat. I think that I really like that concept too. So yeah, as long as I can afford it, if somebody uses my referral link, I think I'm going to give it to a dog in need, because there's a lot of babies out there that don't get anything, and that's kind of sad. And this one, she gets everything. She's such a spoiled little girl. Oh, she's got that treat going. She's got it going, guys. Okay, she liked it. So, we're going to get off of here. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. This is Vlogmas Day. Is it 17? I think it's 17. And we're at 200. We're at 232 subscribers, guys. Or 242. We're at 242. So, 242 subscribers, guys. So we got 8 more to go. 8 more to go. We'll be at 250, and you guys will get a pallet giveaway. Yeah, we're getting there. So tomorrow's the last day of the 300 subscriber giveaway. So make sure you guys are all ready to go on that one. And if you know of anybody else that's interested, get them subscribed and let them have the video. Click them. Whatever, get into the video. So I'm going to also I'm going to link that video below. So Violet, calm down. Oh my goodness, you calm down. I forgot what I was saying. So you guys have a great day. Thank you all so very, very much. I really do appreciate it. And your love and support means the world to both of us. And I hope you enjoy watching Violet get into her BarkBox and trying to get into her box of treats. She's just going ape. She's going nuts. She must like them. Okay? So, yeah, we got to get ready. Grandma's coming over. You Aunt Cindy and Grandma's coming over. Yes. Are you ready for some company? You ready for some... Yeah, you ready for Aunt Cindy to come and Grandma come and see you? She's ready. She loves both of them. Oh, what am I getting on? What am I getting on? Let Mama put the box up. All right, you guys take care. Bye-bye.